Alright, today I am going to show you my contraption of what I have built. This has been built for a minute, but I am just going to make some changes. Before I make changes, I want to show you really quickly what I have. It currently looks like a spaghetti nest, and I know that. So, for your people like to comment, keep it nice, okay? This is been and not a professional advice. It's just for people that for fun and whatever. Let's talk about what I have over here. I have a standard outlet that has a charger that's plugged into. As you can see, we have two USB port right here and two outlet. Over here is your TP-Link cassette smart switch that I installed over here for fun. It really has not served any purpose, which is I will remove that and put a Anker USB-C and two USB type A charger right in here. I will make a video about that eventually. Not sure when, but no guarantee. Now over here I have very professionally jim-rigged a USB charging hub. This one is a USB A 5 amp max probably 5 volt 4 amp and give and take output total. So if you think about it, it's about 1 amp, maybe 1.5, I don't know, but it's just for your smartwatch, something that you use to charge overnight. We have Samsung fast charger for the phone, and this is mainly for like slow charging devices such as watch or smart Fitbit thing. It's really not much to it than just a charger for the headphone. Now we have a very professional again USB power strip, or not, we'll call it USB power strip. So here we have power strip that has a power that you can turn on and off, and over here is all your brick, which is you can find out a lot at cheap local store. And here's my iPhone charger, USB-C, and over here's your light lamp, and this white one is where the USB-C USB hub is. And over here we have a Amazon A for smart home speaker or just smart speaker. So anyway, this is not professional by any stretch of imagination. Does it work? Yes, hell yes, it does work. Over here we have just simply a lamp cut in half. Not really cut in half, threaded. That's an older lamp that has, they call it a floor lamp. And I just basically remove portion of it, thread a thread, and then put a outdoor PVC conduit. Use it as it. This will never be used outside, but I'm just using it because. But anyway, so we had that. And that's it. Pretty much a simple idea that I find when I went to a doctor's office. I don't think I have that picture, but if I do, I will post it right there. But if I don't, you won't see it. So yeah, it's a simple concept, but I basically did everything on my own. No copyright over there because they don't have a USB-C. They don't have USB. Mine has USB. I like mine. So if you want to take the idea by any imagination, you probably can find those on Amazon if you don't know how to build or if you're not comfortable with electricity. So, but anyway, eventually I would like to, this is my improvement, like to put this hardwire into this box. That way I can free up one of those outlet socket to do whatever testing I need for whatever technology I need. Clearly you can see this is fully optimized or fully utilized. In this case, you can see all this charging brick over here. So for some people it's a necessity. For some people this is, you know, you use those all the time. You have multiple things that you plug in, and this is really useful. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.